The red bird. The red bird. His name is Red. We can some kill pigs, but we cannot destroy. The base is very big. Bluey's bird. The name of it is Jakey and G. Yellow bird. His name is Chuck. Blackbird. His name is Bomb. White bird. His name is Matilda. Green bird. His name is Hal. Deary. Oh, no. The red bird. His name is Darius. The bluey bird. His name is Finn. Bubble bird. No. Orange bird. His name is Bubbles. Pink bird. His name is Stella. Aqui. I don't know what is that color, but his name is Maggot Elk. That's in basketball. Shockwave. Delibird. Redfish. His name is Maggot Elk Dragon. He's red. That's cell colors and this. And now powers. Red bird, you know AV power. Bluey's bird, transform to 3. Chuck, we can destroy wood. Blackbird, destroy and explode some stunts. Tilda bird, destroy nothing, but will be an explosive egg. His parents grants, but the seconds, if more, listen for right minus backgrounds time. Darius destroys L. The fin normal Darius, but weaken down. Bubbles weapons from one giant bubble and destroy the base. Stella bird use bubbles to destroy bases, but the angry bird powers to attack pigs. Maggot L destroys L. Collect feathers to continue playing. The Maggot Dragon destroys eagerly. Basketball. One more haymaker. Shockwave. Eagerly a bomb, but we can see electric explode. Teleport. Red teleport into ultra lane and catch blocks to defeat Pig.